what actually happened? Because I feel the inner circle of people that know you actually know, because it's like, you know, like they say. So what really happened? Because that clip of you explaining that, look, you're spending hours in North, but then when it comes to the Bayan, what actually happened?
So the invitation was pushed through two very good brothers.
Okay.
Brothers Ikram and Ibrar. Both of them, with some of their family members, traveled with us to Palestine back in May.
Oh, okay.
So we know them quite well.
Right.
So they were adamant keen on me attending their annual Mawlidun Nabi gathering in the local masjid in Imam, Leeds.
Right.
So the invitation came through the Imam Sahib, but I knew that they were behind it. Initially I said yes. Later it transpired, when the poster came out, that they had called anybody and everybody.
There were loads of people invited.
And all sorts of different Nathwans and scholars even. And so I was approached by Qibla P. Sayyid Ghulam Dastagir Shah Sahib, the Imam Sahib, you shouldn't really be going. It's not befitting of you, and you're just going to get caught up in something.
Yeah.
So I responded politely by saying, if you don't go and if you don't give the message to our youth, then maybe that message won't get to them, or the wrong message will get to them.
Yeah.
So they said, okay, we trust that you will do the right thing.
Yeah.
So I've arrived. They gave me a time. It was 6 o'clock. I came. I read my Salatul Asr by Jama'at. Then they've made me sit on the stage.
Yeah.
And they said, look, we'll have 1 or 2 Nathwans, and then we'll have your bayan.
Okay.
So I said, that's fine. Then one Nathwan read, and then another read, and then they got the third one on. Sahibzada Sayyid Ahsan Shah, Jamiyat Tabligh al-Islam. He was with me. Yes, they were with me as well.
Yeah.
They were actually wanting to speak and literally leave because they had another event to attend.
Yeah.
I didn't have any other commitments.
Yeah.
Actually, he didn't get the chance to speak either.
Okay.
So he just got up and left.
Right.
Because they carried on going through the Nathwans.
So, and then he had to leave, so he was out
because he had to be somewhere else.
Okay.
Then the main Urdu speaker arrived, Alama Sayyid Hamid Shah Sahib from Multan. So then they gave him the chance to speak. मैं बैठा ना बस twiddling my thumbs and I'm thinking to myself, Allah khair karan.
Yeah.
It's now 7:30. 90 minutes after the time that they've agreed. That, look, you need to come at this time. When you come, you'll be given your chance to speak. Baki program carries on. People come, people go. So when they eventually given me the mic, there's about 15 minutes left till Maghrib. And I've started my bayan, and the Imam Sahib of the masjid comes and whispers in my ear that you've only got 5 minutes left. The intention was to get another Nathwan on before Maghrib and then carry on after Maghrib.
Okay.
So that's when the whole environment and mahol changed.
Yeah.
And I went from second gear to sixth gear.
Sixth gear.
And then Baki, as they say, is history.
Yeah.
So that's the background to what happened. And essentially,